Have you noticed an error on one of your credit reports but don't know what to do? consumerfinance.gov has tools and resources to help you dispute errors on your credit reports. To correct an error on your credit report, you'll want to reach out to the credit reporting agency or the company that provided the information, or both. There are a bunch of specialty consumer reporting agencies that collect credit history and other data, but the big three nationwide agencies are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. The company that provided the information could be your bank, landlord, credit card company, or debt collector. These are known as furnishers. Contact the credit reporting agency, either online, by mail, or by phone. Be prepared with the following: your personal contact information, an explanation of the mistake and why it's an error, any evidence you have that supports your dispute, and your report confirmation number if you have it. This can be found on your credit report. Then, request the credit reporting agency either remove or correct the error. Remember to save copies of all documents and communication in relation to the dispute. You can also dispute the information with the furnisher. That's the company that provided the information to the credit reporting agency. Check out consumerfinance.gov/credit for more info. There you can find sample letters you can use to communicate with specialty consumer reporting agencies and furnishers, along with clear step-by-step instructions on how to dispute credit report information. consumerfinance.gov is your go-to resource for clear answers to hundreds of financial questions.